Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, hello, welcome, thank you for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my very late June BoxyCharm unboxing and May box review. My mom was visiting for the month of June, so I was just spending a lot of time with her. I didn't really film anything, and if I wasn't going to work, I didn't really do makeup at all in general. We just kind of sat at home, cooked, baked, chilled a little bit, so I really did not do any filming while she was here. So I know I have like barely any videos out, and I'm sorry for that. But again, I'm going to keep the intro short just because for BoxyCharm I get to the base and the premium box, and then I do the reviews for the month prior's items. So I'm going to keep the intro short. BoxyCharm is a makeup subscription box. I have them linked down below if you are interested in signing up. But if you would like to see my very late unboxing of the June items and what my reviews are for my May items, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the theme for June was Dare to Dazzle, and then on the back is all the items and the retail value. The first thing I don't have to show you is because I gave to my mom, but it was the Give Them La La Beauty eyeshadow palette. It was a 9-pan warm toned eyeshadow palette. So the palette was a similar size to these Juvia Place palettes with the bigger pans. They were just very warm toned shadows like reds and oranges and stuff, and they weren't going to be anything I was going to wear. So I ended up giving that to my mom because she enjoyed the color story of it, and that palette retails for $42. Then we have the choice item, which is what I have on my lips right now, and it's the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and I got the shade Good Times. So this is what it looks like on the back of my hand, but this is also what it looks like on my lips. It is so comfortable. I love that it's like a lip liner, but it's chunky enough that you can fill in your lips with it. It lasts really well. It's matte, but it feels really light and comfortable on the lips. This retails for $27, so it is a really pricey lip pencil. I love the color, so I was afraid if I got a nude it might be too like peachy or too pinky nude or too light, but I think it's a really good color. And it says, this cult favorite lip pencil instantly delivers the impact of a matte lipstick with the spontaneity of a pencil. The long-lasting, non-drying formula is enriched with vitamin E and emollients for a creamy texture that ensures seamless matte color for hours. Then we have this Touch and Soul Glowdient face palette. It's a highlighter palette. I do have a couple of the shades on today, but this is the packaging here, and you just have 5 highlighter shades, and the 2 here are definitely too dark for me to use as highlighters, but these are the 3 lightest shades. They are so pretty. This one is a little bit dark for me as well, but if I mix it with the others I'm okay. But these 2 are really pretty, really blinding. I've got a mix of the 3 though on my cheeks today. And then these 2 right here are the 2 darker shades. So you can definitely tell that those are way too dark for my skin tone. So this retails for $34, and it says new launch, a multi-base palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. Then we have the Jecca Black Hydrate Primer. This one I just haven't opened yet. I don't know if I'll have a review for it next month, just because I have my other Good Molecules Hydrating Priming Moisturizer, and I feel like this is similar. So I might just keep this closed and try it later on. So I may or may not have a review for this next month. It retails for $20, and it says, finally a moisturizer that'll help your makeup last longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base. The last item in the box is this Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser, and I'm pretty sure I've tried this before just in like the little mini. Glam Glow is pretty expensive, so I don't really buy much from them unless they're on like sale or something. But yeah, I've really enjoyed what I've tried from them before though. So if I remember correctly, I do think I liked this. So you get 5 ounces for $32, so it's not too bad, but it says an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. So the total retail value for my base box was $155, but I feel like it was a very good variety for a base box. You got skincare, you got a moisturizer, primer, you got a face product, a lip product, and then an eye palette. I feel like it was very well-rounded for a base box, and I'm very impressed. So then now on to the premium box. There's an item in here from Lorac. It was a lip liner pencil, and it was a pink shade. I don't remember what the shade is called, but I gave that to my mom too because I don't like pink lipstick. But the Lorac Alter Ego lip liner retails for $17, so kind of on par with your higher end lip liners. So the first thing was one of the choice items, and this is the Dominique Cosmetics multi-use eye and face palette. So I think this is a relatively new palette. I'm not 100% sure. It's not like super old, but I don't know how new it is. And with this one, you're supposed to be able to do your eyes. You can do like bronzer, blush, under eye setting, like highlight and stuff. It's not going to be like a glowy highlight. You can do eyeliner. So this is supposed to be your full face palette just in this right here. So I cannot wait to play around with this. I really do enjoy the Dominique Cosmetics formula. I had the Celestial Storm or the Celestial Thunder, whichever it was that we got in BoxyCharm. I did end up giving that to a friend though, just because I didn't use it so much and she really liked the color story of it. So I ended up gifting that to her, but I know I enjoy the formula. Really excited to play around with this. All right, so the palette retails for $48 and it has 15 shades. It says, life is complicated, makeup shouldn't be. To keep things simple, here's your new everyday go-to. A versatile multi-use palette with a range of warm to cool tone, neutral matte shades. Choose a daytime no makeup look, or go full on sultry, smoky glam. Then the next choice item was the Natasha Denona Transfer Matte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. I picked the shade 26Y Light. It's very hard to pick foundation matches online. I tried my best, but this is what the foundation looks like. It's just one of those that's in a little pump. So I will have to give this a go and see how this performs. I'm excited to try this because I've gotten a couple things from Natasha Denona from BoxyCharm and then the BoxyCharm shop, and I've really enjoyed everything I've tried. So I did want to just give this a go. I don't remember what the other choice items were for it, but this was the one that piqued my interest the most. And this retails for $45, so it is a little bit pricey, but Natasha Denona is a pricey brand, and it says a medium to full coverage modern matte liquid luxe foundation that blurs pores, smooths uneven texture, and protects your skin from environmental damage. All right, so next is this eye cream. I do not know how to say the name of the brand, but it says coriander seed and marjoram, quinoa and vitamin C, and it is just an eye cream. It's not like an eye gel. So it says to use day and night, but it says this eye cream contains quinoa extract, colloidal oats, and vitamin C, all of which work to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. And I think colloidal oats is in the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And oh my gosh, that is my holy grail, like face moisturizer, especially for nighttime. Hopefully this works miracles on my under eyes if that's like the ingredient in there. Can't wait to give this a go. Then we have this Skin Regimen 1.85 HA Booster. So it's a hyaluronic acid serum. So this is what it looks like here. It's just in a little dropper. I like hyaluronic acid. Niacinamide is like my skincare go-to, but my skin really likes hyaluronic acid as well. I just haven't repurchased any hyaluronic acid serums. So this will be nice to try out. It retails for $115. That's really pricey. It says a hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked, to infuse the skin, lock in moisture at various levels, and restore optimal levels of hydration. Freeform silicones and synthetic fragrance. 99.2% natural origin ingredient. All right, and then the last thing in here is this Earth Harbor Laguna Replenishing Body Serum. All right, so this is what the product looks like here, and it is so pretty. I love this color, and it's got the little dropper, kind of like the hyaluronic acid serum. It retails for $26, and it says a tantalizing blend of pure botanical oils, including blue yarrow, marine algae, coconut, rosehip, and geranium blossom. The synergistic island blend promotes feelings of skin respiration and intercellular energy while delivering deep nourishment, hydration, and a gorgeous luster to skin. Enjoy an aroma reminiscent of a fresh floral breeze as your skin absorbs a non-greasy, nutrient-dense serum. The premium box retails for $291. Again, we had one item that was retailed over $100, which is insane. I got, again, a pretty good variety. I got an eyeshadow palette, I got a foundation, I got some body stuff, I got an eye cream. Again, a very well-rounded box, I think. So June, good job, BoxyCharm. All right, so now on to the reviews for the items in the May box. So again, for the May items, I do not have a review for the KAB Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I gave that to a friend. And then I ended up giving the Skin Inc. Daily Dose of Uplift to my mom. First is the Otisite Black Cumin Face Serum. I used this a couple times. I didn't really have many breakouts and whatnot, so I don't know if it was just not useful on my skin, but I will definitely have to keep this in the back of my mind to use when I do have breakouts. The Bloom Effects Royal Tulip Nectar was actually really nice. I've used this under my eyes a little bit in the morning if they're like a little bit drier. I used this around my nose or some dry spots on my face, used it as a moisturizer. I wish it came with that little spatula just because it's kind of hard for me to get in there, especially with the longer nails. I don't want it to get under the nails. I've used it as like a lip balm. I really like this. So next are the Luxe and Willow reusable cotton pads, and these are pretty nice. I like that they're bigger than the ones I had before. I take off a little bit more makeup with them. I can use them for both eyes and my face if I really wanted to, and my lips. But I still prefer just using a cleansing balm for my face, but I could do eyes, brows, lips with this, and I didn't have to like really switch the side of the cotton pad. And then the bag came with, just plop it in, throw it in the wash, and they're good and clean. Alright, these LaRousse brushes. The eyeliner brush is okay. It's not the best quality. I can push it in a little bit and, you know, the bristles disappear. I've come to terms that I'm not the biggest like brush person for eyeliner. My eyes are just so small. I want a straight, like, crisp line. If I wanted a smokier line, I can definitely see how this was nice. I just didn't get as thin of a line as I wanted when I used this for eyeliner. And then for eyebrows, I used it for like the powder to fill in, but it doesn't have the spoolie on the other side to like brush through my brows, so I would have to have a separate product for that anyway. So this was just okay, but these two brushes are so nice. I used this a lot for powder foundation. I used it for liquid foundation, but I love this for powder foundation. And then this was a beautiful highlight brush. I really love these two brushes. This was just an okay brush. The Sophia and Mabel hydrating lipstick, it's okay. It wasn't any like extra hydrating. It was pretty, but nothing to write home about. The Bite Beauty Agave lip balm, I really enjoyed this. My lips were really hydrated and smooth. I know people say that it was like reformulated. I never tried the original, so I don't have anything to compare it to. So I know a lot of people weren't happy with the reformulation for it, but I like it. All right, then we have the Tristique Eyebrow Duo. I have it in my brows today. I really like the pencil side. I was afraid with it being, you know, a little bit harder upon like swatch of it that it wasn't gonna apply well, but to moisturized, hydrated skin, it was gliding over. I didn't have to push really hard. I just went like this a little bit and got to draw on my brows. The gel side though is okay. You have to be really careful because if I go like this and I have a little bit too much on the brush, I get the brow gel all over my face. Not all over my face, but like over where I don't want it on my brows. It's a good color. I just have to really like take so much off of it and then lightly brush it through my brows. I think my brows look pretty good. I like this. The pencil side though I really do enjoy more than I thought I would, just because I'm used to using brow like pomades or a thin brow pencil. Not too used to doing the triangular tip, but it did make doing my brows a lot quicker than normal. The Too Faced liquid eyeshadow, this is so good. All right, so as a single like matte shadow, I think I liked this more than my MAC paint pot, just because I would blend it out, it would dry super quick, and I would put just like a matte cream shadow on top of it and then like a crease shade and eyeliner, and I was good to go. Well, and mascara. It does dry super quick, so like nothing smudging, nothing's fading. The MAC paint pot I like a little bit more for like blending different shadows on top of it, because you do have that time where it's still a little bit tacky to blend colors over it and make them pop a little bit more. And then the Murad Skin City Overnight Detox Moisturizer was a really nice moisturizer. I love just the packaging of this, where I just have to push down and the product comes out. I had remembered to bring this out here because this has been in my bathroom because I use this every single night. I really enjoy this. I would probably not repurchase it unless it goes on sale because Murad is just so pricey. It smells good. It felt really nice on the skin. I woke up and my skin just felt great. So I really like this. All right guys, so that was it for my June BoxyCharm unboxing and my May item reviews. But if you guys get BoxyCharm, let me know what your favorite item from your June box was. If you got the Luxe box, what did you get in your box? That, you know, what did you like and whatnot? Because I'm debating on if I want to do the Luxe box again. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notifications so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.